It's a windy day at Construction HQ. That's a cool windmill, Daisy. And today, they're going to be building a wind turbine. Awesome! They need to attach a propeller to the pole at the top of that hill. Daisy's carrying the propeller up, but it's a bit windy. Whoa! Be careful! Oh dear! The wind blew her straight off the hill. But Bump will help Daisy get back up. Phew, the propeller is okay. Digley and Dazey are trying again. Digley is helping this time. Mr. Rubble isn't happy about all this mess. Time for Bump to get to work. The wind is back, but Bump has noticed that the windsock flies whenever it's windy. Digley and Dazey are being blown down the hill again. The wind is back, and Bump is signalling to tell them to stop carrying the propeller. Looks like it worked. Now it's stopped, they can carry on. Go, go, go! Stop! What brilliant teamwork! Hooray! They made it to the top of the hill. Whoa! That was a close one. Now it's time to attach it to the pole. It worked! Great job, team! And look! It's powering the city's lights. How amazing! It was definitely worth all that work.